Good morning, YouTube. Good morning, Legacy Wealth Society. Hopefully, you guys are having a solid Wednesday. We're going to try making some money today. Hopefully, the markets are doing what we need them to do. We're just going to keep it moving. Let's see what we got going on here. Alrighty. I'm going to check our audio levels, make sure we're sounding pretty crispy. As long as we're sounding crispy, we're good to go. Let me jump on the tube real quick.
Good morning.
What's up, Mitch?
How's it going?
I got tongue tied. I was getting ready to say Silk and Mitch at the same time.
What's up, G?
What's going on?
Aw, chilling, brother.
Oh yeah, it sounded crispy. My mic is low. Yeah, turn the mic up a little bit.
I'll go trade outside so that I'm not too loud. No, it's not you guys. I just don't want to be loud, like talking and whatnot.
Did you get the desk? I'm hoping I didn't ship it to the wrong person. Brian was the lucky winner when we crossed 2K. His name got pulled from the wheel, and he won the new standing desk. So
Yeah.
he'll definitely take it.
Not on that table. Damn.
Dude, my bad. I didn't realize I was not even muted that whole time.
Oh, you're good, Mitch. You're good.
I've been sat on that table. You had to be in the chat, right?
Yeah, you had to be in the chat for it. What's up, time? Let me see what we got with this market. We had that news at 8:15. It popped us up pretty nicely.
Yeah, that was pretty smooth. I see that. I should have been in there. I would have been done for the day. Probably had a funded account by now.
Yeah,
I don't know how fast
we
the
got
market moves, but
we got news at 9:45 and 10 o'clock today.
Beautiful.
So keep that in mind. Two more news things coming out. We're currently well above the Jesus. say it with your chest. We're currently above the VWAP. VWAP's currently sitting at 730.25 area right there. The close from yesterday, 710. We got the pivot point below that at 691.25. And we got a pivot above us at 25,030. Overnight high 930.25 for the overnight high. So we're gonna try getting dialed so I can make some money. And I'm fully booked for San Antonio as well, folks. So the Traders Hangouts Friday and Saturday night will be from San Antonio.
Hey.
So we're going to be having some fun. And BP is going to be on the Traders Hangout.
Ooh.
He will be the first official guest of the Traders Hangout.
Legendary move right there.
Well, not the first. Actually, Brett was the first guest.
Second.
But BP will be the second official guest for the Traders Hangout. So it was funny. We were talking yesterday. He's like, yeah, I just don't think I'm going to look as good as you do on the camera. I'm like, bro, you're going to be fine. You're going to be fine. You're 23 years old. I'm 35.
Damn.
You got, hey, Mitch, don't start that. Do not start that, sir. It really be your own people. That's crazy. I don't know how I feel about that, Mitch. You know, I thought I was going to have a good day, and then you just hit me with the Kevin Hart right there. Damn. You know what I'm saying? Like, now I don't know how.
Oh my gosh.
How I act right now.
Man, I didn't even think about it. I just reacted.
But don't you worry, Mitch. I'm getting ready. When I take this 20K payout this month, I'm just going to put it right to my body.
All right, let's go.
You know what I'm saying? I'm going to get me a strength and conditioning coach.
Nice.
I'm going to pay for this one dude that does like blood work and stuff and tells you exactly what you need. Listen, your boy's getting dialed in.
Yes, sir.
I'm trying to drop mad weight before Portugal because I want to be not chiseled. I just want to be smaller.
You're gonna be like Captain America.
I wish I could do something that quick, but sadly, I need some sauce for that.
Can you imagine if we all were doing that? That'd be dope.
Need some saucy sauce.
Out of all the characters, I would be Thor. I just want a dope hammer that I can just hold my hand out. Next thing you know, a big old piece of metal just, well, massive a Death Star, I should say. It's coming right there and just swinging that thing.
Hey, whatever works.
Dude, I could fly.
Duane, that's Duane when he's in the gym. He just holds a barbell out or a dumbbell, depending on what he's doing, one hand or two hand, and throws that shit around.
Normally, yes. That is me throwing the weights around. But right now, I'm just doing cardio, sadly.
Yeah, lately he's picking up the treadmill and throwing that around and calling it cardio, which I don't think is right.
Hey, whatever works at this point.
Look, if you're getting 10 reps out of the the stairmaster, that's what I mean. If you're pressing it above your head, so I mean, I just want you to remember that.
Are we just dumping right now? What is this?
Well, I'm getting my line set up so I can make my doodles today.
Well, boys, all I need is 390. I'm gonna say 400, but math is saying 390 to get funded.
Oh, you got that, bro. Make sure you do a base hit. Do not go over crazy because like today, he only needs $159 to take a 3K payout.
Let's go.
Base hits, folks. Base hits pays the bills.
Amen to that.
We got news at 9:45. So we're gonna see what we get. I
The
need.
news hit earlier than 8:15, and I saw it after. Like I logged in and already made the move.
Yeah.
Did you give the VWAP? Where's the VWAP at, baby?
The VWAP is currently sitting on. Let me double check that again for you. That is down at. We'll say 732.75. 732.75.
Let me just make sure we're syncing up pretty good. Okay, that's actually good. All right.
Hey, we'll take it. Progress.
713.
That's called progress.
It's like 30 points off. Like what?
I'm looking at 713 on mine.
732
On the 2 minute, my VWAP is at the number I just said.
Yeah.
So I need 585 on one account to get it funded.
Oh.
That one's like 1100. This week I'm mainly focused on getting my Tradify accounts fully funded. And then I will work on some Apex accounts since I did purchase 5 Apex accounts yesterday. I reached out to them about getting a code. They hit me with the okie doke. Right now we're just focused on the new rollouts we just did. So like reach back out like in like a month.
Don't call us. We'll call you.
Pretty much. So
you can
bump them.
Who's all in here? Who's in the Legacy fan?
We got Jimmy T, G, Silk, and Brad in the Market Makers chat.
All right. All right, here we go. We're open.
There's Market Open. There's Market Open.
We're open and hoping.
Open and hoping.
Oh, we don't hope, man. We got it. It's about victory.
Oh, 100%. I'm just here base hitting. That's all I'm trying to do this week. Because I told myself yesterday, I'm like, if it takes me the first week of this month to get fully funded with Tradify again, that's fine. Because if I just take one payout per account for the month, max payout, that's 15 grand.
15 large.
Yeah. That's like a nice down payment on a boat right there. You know what I'm saying? Like,
see, I have my car paid from the shop and being shipped down here.
you know what I'm saying? Let's see. We already took out the overnight high. So let's see what we get. We may pump today. Depending upon how this news comes out.
Oh, I said 9:45, right?
Yeah, next news is at 9:45.
And then 10.
And then 10.
So let me ask you this, Duane. Since the news is at 9:45, is that at all? And I'm not asking to like try to push, but is that going to open up your eyes to earlier trades because it's a unique circumstance, or are you just going to sit?
No, I'll wait. I'm gonna wait probably till like 9:46, like usual. and then we'll just take it from there.
9:46 Greenwich Mean Time, job
sticking to the rules.
Hey, I got to, right? Because I'm a numbers guy. My stats tell me, do I make money trading before 9:45? Yes. But I also lose more trading before 9:45 as well.
Look, if we're having a little fun talking about it, it's for, it's just we're having fun talking about it, and for telling people at home that you actually have a strategy, and that's like more than like 80% of people that kind of go from like one thing to another.
True, but I ain't gonna lie, like that's looking like a nice bull flag on the 1 minute.
I was just about to say it.
Well, let me go to the higher time frames. Higher time frames for the.
Yeah.
Let me not look at. Let me not look at it. Let me not look at it.
So he's like, I'm gonna go up to the hour candle. That way, I can't be tempted.
That's actually a good idea. Actually. Yeah, not tempted with that, but that's a bull flag right there on the hour. Just so you know.
Let me tap in right quick.
Like, you're not helping, Steve. You're not helping me right now, fam.
I'm gonna set my 5. Let this tap in for me.
I'm sorry, man.
Let me look at the 10 hour. The 10 hour candle.
That's crazy.
I got an old copy of the New York Times you could read. Would that work? Anything to... No, that's got charts on it too. Ah!
Oh man, I'm excited. I'm excited for this month. This is going to be a really solid month for all of us.
Amen to that.
Because this month, I'm going for a decent sized payout, and you guys are getting y'all's payouts this month.
Hey,
we got a whole month to get there, base hitting.
From your lips to God's ears, as you always say.
Oh, base hit. Each day on these streams, I'm preaching base hits. If you make $200, I'm gonna tell you walk away. I'm gonna say walk away.
I mean, 500 grand. I mean, hey, might want a full port the next trade, but you know.
Listen, if I made 500 grand on a trade, I do not want to even trade the next day. And that's real. That's
real.
I'll see
you guys like next week if that happens.
No, I'll take a day off, like just to mentally, like just think about it. Like, okay, we just did that. Let's not mess it up.
Yeah, you just do that and mentally go buy a Cadillac and a boat and then come back the next
day. He would go buy his Urus.
No, I wouldn't do the Urus. I wouldn't do the Urus. I talk a lot, you know what I'm saying? I would like a Urus, but Uruses draw too much attention.
I mean, just make it matte black.
Still drawing too much attention. Because you're going to hear that bad boy.
Yeah, you're right. Especially if you get a straight pipe. Put an exhaust on that sucker. She, boy.
Like...
Or just get a calm RSQ8, you know. very discreet appearance-wise, but still got a good performance.
Yeah, that's why I'm looking at trying to get the Cadillac V. So we still got that horsepower.
That boy loud too.
It is, but like, you know, it's a big body.
That is a big body.
They just think it's like
moving presentation.
overweight, so it's breathing heavy.
What color would you get?
I was looking at 2 different colors. I'm gonna get gloss black, just like the base, but I'm gonna get the car wrap.
Nice. What color?
So I was gonna wrap the body of it gold. The top will still stay black.
I see what you're doing.
For legacy, you know what I'm saying? For only for legacy. It's not for me.
You gonna get a line on the side? Please tell me you get a line on the side.
A line on the side? No line on the side.
No, like the full face, like, you know, livery type of thing.
Huh?
Livery. Yeah, put a liver on it. No, I'm just kidding. You're talking like livery, like a taxi. It's gonna take
livery in the sense of like you know how, you know, race cars got a livery on them with the sponsors and all the logos, and all that kind of stuff. You can do that with yours, like legacy in the words on the like the side of the car, but like the back end, whatever, you got like the lion face of the logo within it.
I was just gonna do like a little QR code.
Scan this QR code.
You know what I'm saying? Like, I was just gonna do a QR code.
That'd be dope. That'd be dope. I know some people that got it.
Find that jacket at Burlington to match the gold wrap.
That is true.
Make the circle complete.
So I was looking at that gold with a black top. I was also looking at either like a camo green with a black top for the wrap as well on black rims, or your boy may just have to, like, I have white cars currently, so I was thinking all white caddy on white Forgiatos. You know what I'm saying? Like,
ooh, big pimpin'.
That's what it's gonna say on the side.
Big pimpin'.
Yeah, I don't really want a sedan warrior. I'm a big guy, you know what I'm saying? Like, I need a larger body.
Bro, if you were to get a sedan, you need like a Rolls Royce Phantom.
Yeah, but even then, that'd
be top of the mook right there.
You know, if it closes below the big green candle, you should sell.
Big green
not necessarily.
Shit, mine are orange and gray.
We got news at 9:45, so I'm waiting for that news to come out.
He's waiting. It's just waiting.
Plus, he's not clear to trade yet.
That is true. I wait till 9:45 every single day for the most part to take my first trade.
Saturday is crazy. Hey, Moose is here. And Brad. What's good,
Moose
y'all?
is in here?
And
Moose.
What's up? Jimmy T is Steve with the
question for you. What are you doing tomorrow afternoon?
Getting a haircut.
Me?
Yeah, no, the other Moose in the chat.
The other Moose.
Gotta go to Tampa.
Okay.
Why? What's up?
No, I may need a baldy. I'm heading to San Antonio Friday.
Knew it.
What
Haircut. Called it.
What time?
What time on Friday?
No. What time on Friday? What time tomorrow? I could probably do it like in the early like in the morning, like maybe 11,
4 a.m.
Yeah, that works for me. If you just want to slide over here, trade here and then, you know what I'm saying, that's fine too.
All right, so I gotta be in Tampa by 3. So let me see if we can. I go to you, right? But without the trailer, because from you I'll just take 415 down to I-4. Or if I have enough time, then I'll just pop up with you to the trailer. You get me?
Yeah.
But I'll definitely do it in the morning, like early afternoon, early morning.
Okay. Yeah, that works. Whatever works best for you. You're sliding me in, so I'm not picky.
All right, thank you.
No, thank you, bro. Alrighty. 5 more minutes for this news to come out. The high for this 15-minute range, the high is 972.5, 972.5. We're currently below the 21 EMA.
Got news at 9:45 today.
Yes, sir. We got news at 9:45 and 10 o'clock. We're dialed. We're waiting. Anticipating. You like that, Steve? That was for you, bro.
Yeah, I loved it.
That was for you.
That's for me.
Ooh, Nellies. I really want to get this one account funded today, but I'm not going to push. I'm not going to push. Base hit, and that's it. Let's see here. I don't know how I feel about that. We got that close down there, 709.75 from yesterday. Finally getting that retracement, Moose loves. Trying to bring us all the way back down to where we started at 9:30.
Still waiting a little bit. It's gonna hit a EMA, so it's gonna bounce a little bit.
Okay.
It went up.
Yeah, I'm just honestly waiting for that 9:45 news to come out, see how that acts.
It literally touched the EMA and bounced right up. Now it's up.
You okay, Mitch? That did not sound good.
What was that?
Yeah, I'm just being patient, man. I'm just being patient.
Hey, proud of you. Proud of you.
I'm itching.
It's easy to click the button. It's
Right.
hard to wait.
It is very hard to wait. In many things in life.
Yeah, you ain't lying about that. Where's my mouse? There we go. And look at that. There was a yellow line just sitting there waiting for this area. That's weird. Almost like someone put it there.
Oh.
Oh.
That's crazy.
Let's see, we maybe build us a little bear flag. But we got this news, so we gotta be quick today before the 10 o'clock news.
Quick snipes. Bingo.
I feel like we're going to build a flag right here, but we got less than a minute now for the news.
Better build a song.
We may, on the 2 minute, it may try dropping it right here, but we got this news at 9:45, so be careful, folks. I do not recommend being in a trade when 9:45 hits. I do not recommend being in a trade at 9:45.
Oh, well, weather report, gentlemen. It is partly cloudy, sunny with quite the nice breeze. And the grass is finally getting greener.
Hey, we'll take that. We needed the rain. So we got some rain yesterday, and it was much needed for the grass.
I think it rained last night here too. So I heard it this morning. Might have been the sprinklers though, but
It rains every day at the same time.
There's the news. There's the news at 9:45.
here's the view. Here's the view.
Very nice. Very nice.
Steve, you seen this?
Oh wait, let me see.
He's living the good life over there.
Oh yeah.
Looks like he's sipping a Mai Tai too.
Mai Tai, perfect time for it.
We continue to come down. We're gonna come down to the VWAP.
Coming down to the VWAP.
I can see that. The VWAP is currently sitting down there at 76525. 76525. 945 is done. I'm waiting for 946 here. And hopefully we can build another little bear flag with a little bit more follow through. Because we'll have to break out of this range to get down to that VWAP. If we're trying to go down to the VWAP. All right, bull stepping in. Not much of a buying wick on that candle though. That's a real small little wick on it, so. What's up, BP? No likes is crazy. They ain't liking the stream. YouTube folks, you better like the streams. Don't make the captain check y'all.
Check yourself before you wreck yourself. Do you have the 15-minute range, Duane?
Yes, sir. The 15-minute range, the low side, is right there at 82575. 82575. It's the low. The high is 97025. 97025. We went through that 21 EMA like it wasn't even there, and just don't care. Man, Steve got me rhyming today. I don't even know what's happening right now. I'm sorry, boys.
You're stepping into your like glory. Just take the mic and give them what they like.
Look at this pump here. We just cleared out some selling wicks as well right there. Maybe we build a potential little bull flag. That is actually weird.
Right back down.
Let me reset this. Let me refresh it. Oh, as soon as I did, it popped up. That's crazy. All right. No, because on one of my indicators, it wasn't showing me the middle of the 15-minute range, but I got it now. So, good morning, Tim.
All right, Tim.
Tim's in the chat, so we're officially good to trade. You're officially clear to trade. Tim Chapo said, go ahead.
Hey, that guy knows what's up.
I think he does too. Come on, Betsy. We're right here at this 21 EMA. Hopefully not, bro. I do not want a chop day. We got news at 10 o'clock as well, so.
Look, this one wants to pump higher.
Well, we're right here. We just got through the middle of the 15-minute range. So I want us to see us build a flag above the middle of it to take us higher at this point. That's what I would like to see, but who am I? Who am I? I'm just a random guy on the internet.
You're not a rando.
You're more than that. You're the voice of the people. So make that phone call and tell them what to do.
I may have to call Uncle Trump real quick. Tell him, hey, say something. Say we're going to bomb somebody else or something. You know what I'm saying? Like, just to move the markets real quick.
Why not? Let's get some movement. That's my thing.
We got these selling wicks right now, so hopefully it doesn't chop till 10. I'm hoping we don't chop till 10.
I might have to take some scalping moves here, to be honest. If we don't get some action today.
There's a 21 EMA tap once again. Through the 21 now. Come on, go to my yellow line.
Board in the house, I'm in the house board. Board in the house, I'm in the house board.
Chandler, not much, bro. You haven't missed much. Waiting for this market to move a little bit. We had news at 8:15 today, news at 9:45, and news at 10. So 10 minutes for the next news to come out. We got that slight little buying wick starting to form on this 2-minute candle. It is jumping slightly. Right now it's like kind of trying to chop a little bit. I want us to flush through my yellow line so I could possibly jump in here. Because we currently have more selling pressure than buying pressure. Buyer's still trying to step in right now. We're pretty close to the middle of this 15-minute range as well. Oh yeah. Okay. Let's see what we get here. We're starting to build a little flag. Not a big flag, but on this middle of this 15-minute range above it. There we go. Got that one. I saw some movement. I had to take it, boys. 720 on that trade. Just got that account funded. Ka-chow. Like Lightning McQueen, as my kids would say. Ka-chow. On to the next.
Let's go.
Let's see if we could get this one fully funded as well. Let's just keep the funding train going today. I want us to build a flag up here. And I'm going to break down why I just took that trade here in a second. Just so you guys can see somewhat what I was seeing on my trading view. That's why I took it. So when we popped up right in here, it's where the middle of the 15-minute range was. So the way we popped up with the buying pressure right here, the bears the bulls flipped the candle. So the bears tried pushing down slightly, but the bulls caught it, pushed it up. And then the very next candle was green with the buying wick as well, showing that buying pressure. So when I saw that and watching the Rincos, that's why I took it, because I saw the buying pressure. I didn't know how high it may go. I knew I could make a couple $100. So that's why I took that trade, was I was looking for a bull flag above the middle of the 15-minute range. And it was like right above it where the bull stepped in. So that's why I took it. So right now, I'll be expecting another bull flag. We have 5 minutes for the news to come out. Hopefully the market moves a little bit better after the 10 o'clock news because a lot of people are waiting for the news to come out. But let's see what we get. Let me get some more lines, actually. I'm doing 2 lines today.
Oh, no.
It's getting real, boys. It's getting real today.
Double or nothing.
Well, you know when I know it's getting real is when you have like the flagpole as well. Then you're just like really just doodling it up and down the line.
I'm not doing the poll today. I'm not doing the poll today.
No, but when that happens, it's like, shit, watch out.
That's where I'm like really trying to figure out how to make some money. Like, come on, poll, help me. 4 minutes, less than 4 minutes now for 10 o'clock news. Less than 4 minutes. We do have some selling pressure right here. Yeah. What's up, millionaire?
Hey, I got a question. Are you only streaming vertical right now?
No, I'm streaming on both.
Yeah, I don't see it on mine, but maybe it's just like it's not showing.
No, we're streaming on both because we got 7 on the horizontal, 9 on the vertical currently. So we still got the selling pressure right here close. We're close to the middle of the 15-minute range. At this point, honestly, I would probably wait until the news. Wait till the news comes out because
That's what I'm doing.
there's no reason just to jump in right now.
Get chopped up.
Let me drink my Mexico cup from my Mexico cup real quick.
How's that Mexican water?
It's not Mexican water. It's just a Mexican cup from the resort. My goal is to get like 40 of these. That means I gotta go back a lot of times. Just saying, because they give you two of these every single time you go. Yeah, I think we have like 8 of them currently, or 6 or 8. I forget. We need more though. We need more. We're consolidating right here. Yeah, I'll be holding. We got less than a little bit over a minute left for this 10 o'clock news. So
my goodness, it's all going. It's so exciting right now.
So I'll be waiting. Folks.
Dang. Somebody got wicked out there. Or it hit their TP, hopefully.
40 seconds for 10 o'clock news.
That little wick was somebody saying something too soon because their mic got turned down by the sound guy.
We're sitting right here in the middle. Right here in the middle is 15-minute range right now as well. So do not diddle in the middle, folks. Do not diddle in the middle. It ain't worth it. Two seconds for news. There's the news.
Dang. Okay.
But the thing I don't really like about how the news just came out, the bulls popped it up, but the bears stepped in right away. Look at that wick.
Yeah,
That's the only thing I don't like. That's the only thing I don't like.
Hasn't made a new high yet, but it might.
Here we go. There's a new high right there. Go ahead, Tim. You caught that bar? Hey, whoever works, you're a wild man. I know you cut hair, but bro, you're a wild man taking that. You got bigger balls than me. I do not trade news. So we popped out the 15-minute range right there. Came right back in. Let's see if we start a push. Let's see where our first target would be. First target. There we go. 42. 42 is the first target. We have a pivot point up there as well, sitting at 30. We'd like to see some structure. Well, on the 5-minute, that was a bull flag on the 5-minute right there, but it was a news candle. So, yeah, I'm okay not taking that one. Let's see if we can. We got a new candle coming in 9 seconds. Good morning, BP.
What's up, guys?
What's up, BP? How you doing?
I'm doing all right.
Good to hear. Good to hear.
I'm slightly late, of course.
Oh, you know.
So,
right on schedule.
So everything's the same for BP today. That's what he just said, folks.
Yeah.
Right on time.
The only thing I can see that looks to me, which gave some direction, was the Dow formed like bullish SMT, and everything else is pushing up right now.
Beautiful.
Hey, we're ready for it. We're ready for it. Let's see if we go through my yellow line with some momentum here. And I'll jump in for a long. But I kind of just wanted to see us get away from this high of this 15. Just a little bit. Just a little bit. Because this area is going to be like a little magnet till we clear it. Lots of selling pressure on that 5-minute candle. Look at that wick. Hey, if we get to that pivot, if it rejects, we'll definitely take the short on that. Because there's always a reaction. It's either we're going to use it to bounce even higher or we're going to reject off of it. But like right now, look at this. Look at that selling pressure on that 5-minute. Ooh, Nellies. Jeez.
Right back down.
Lots of people just got stopped out, I'll tell you that. Because a lot of people were feeling bullish. They just got stop.
Got cooked.
We're through the all right. We're right here sitting close to the 21 EMA. Let's see if the bulls can catch it right here. We got that buying wick, but that strong pull like that, nah. Let's doodle. Let's doodle, Duane. Doodle for the noodles. So let's see if we get this flag. All right, I'm dialed in. I'm watching the 2-minute flag. Let's see. Going right up to my yellow line, tapping it.
You holding up the market again, Duane?
I was looking to see if we were going to get a little bear flag, BP. I'm not trying to hold the market up or down. I did just secure another funded account today, so your boy's happy about that. Trying to secure another one. I'm not trying to go against the wave right now either, because we were printing bull flags earlier before our session, so I'm not trying to go against the wave, but just gotta be patient. Just gotta be patient. We have a lot of selling pressure up here. Lots of selling pressure. Unless we try building a small bull flag right here. Because we have that buying wick on the bottom of this candle. All right, they're popping right back up. Come on, Betsy. Figure what you want to do. Figure out what you want to do. Good day, Brett. Good day, sir. All right, boys. Brett's officially in the chat. I can now leave, and he's going to take over the trading session for today. You got that, Brett? BP's in the chat, too, so you can literally just tell him to say full port something and blame him.
Oh, wow.
I'm just joshing y'all. Don't y'all worry. No full ports here today. No full ports here. Jason, yes, up $700 today. Only took one trade. We're now above we're above this 15-minute range, and I want to see us get a flag up here. I would love to see a flag.
Duane would like to see a flag.
I need the flaggy flag.
Or the follow through is working.
Well, if we keep creeping, I'm going to be targeting that pivot point at the 25-30 level. We did not get the flag there, but we are still pushing. $220 on that trade right there. Let's see. I want to put more in this one, but I'm just going to rotate. I'm not going to be greedy. No greed today, boys. No greed today. Just base hitting this week in these accounts so I can get fully funded with Tradeify. I would love to see a flag. We have not got another flag yet. All right, cool. Let's see if we get a flag here. That's the only thing when you're using flags for your confirmations. Like when the market's just pumping without flags, you're sitting on the sideline. Still no flag. Come on, market. Give us a flag. Give us a flaggy flag. I need the warm and fuzzies. Because it's not like we have a lot of momentum right now either. So that's why, like, you can't just go long just because you see the market creeping. Because we need more. I would need more momentum for a momentum play without a flag. All right. Let's see if we build some structure for a flag.
I just got tagged into a long off this breaker. It's probably gonna get flipped, so we'll see.
Where's your stop loss at?
Just underneath this breaker.
Okay.
It's my stop is at 960.
Okay. I don't think we're going to be going down 960. If the bulls can step in, since we got that buying wick right there, I feel like we will push.
Wayne Field.
Just waiting for the. All right. Got a new candle on the 2 minute. Let's see if this is going to be what flips us to push here.
Kind of locking in some profit here. If it just wicks me down, it's fine.
I can't tell you what to do, so lock in your profit. But it looks like we're building a bull flag. I closed that. It's taking too long for me. I don't like how it's taking too long for the full push. So I just locked in that 110 right there. But I still feel like it's going to push. It was just taking too long for me on the Rincos. So I just closed. Just locking the profit just to stay green.
I tried to do that too. I was up like 120 and I clicked it and I ended up getting 90 bucks.
I hate when that happens. What's up, Lucas? Yeah, I'm just going to honestly rotate to the next account. I'm simply doing base hits. There's no reason to overtrade. Did I want more? 100%. But I did not like how it slowed down. I should have closed when I was up 400 bucks. But I thought we were going to have more. But we did not have more, sadly. Just dropped us back into the 15-minute range right there as well. Someone's getting some roof work done. All I hear is the gun go on. Pop, 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 pop. Do they not know I'm trading here? Jesus. What happened to my music? Okay, that's weird. But what is how my alarm's still like buzzing on my phone? That's crazy. Just close those. I see if my landscaper's guy. I hear like a landscape truck out front. Let me pull up the camera here. Oh no. I still feel like it wants to push. So we just took liquidity. We just took some stop losses, everything like that, and now we may push here. Let's see what we get. We got selling pressure up here. I want to take the long, but I'm trying to be patient because at this point I want to clear. Okay, I need to figure out how to get that off my chart. I hate that. Let's go, Betsy. We got that pivot point 25,030. We got this whole number right here as well. I just realized that 25,000.
It's a big one.
That is a big one. Let's see if the Bulls have enough to push through this 25,000 number. Because right now, the market always gets weird around these whole numbers. So that's why I'm not just, oh, let me just jump in. Like, no, been here too long. It gets kind of wonky. Yeah, your boy said wonky.
Hey, who was it that was showing me yesterday the pivot point on Trading View?
That was Mitch.
Mitch,
Yo, what up?
what was the name of the pivot point yesterday on Trading View?
Yeah, let me get that right quick. Let's see here.
It should be the pivot standard. 210 on that trade.
Pivot point standard. If you search that on Trading View,
Okay,
it should pop up.
yeah, I got it. Thank you.
You're welcome.
Let's rotate to the next one. $200 on that. Just base hitting it, boys. That's it. Just base hitting.
Oh, we're at London Highs.
We are. Didn't we already clear London highs?
Yeah, a while
we
ago.
took London High.
Yeah, like I'm like at London highs. I thought we already cleared that.
Now, if we're talking about previous days, like a
It says
while ago,
2502.
Talk about last August.
now if we're trying to go anywhere, we could get to this pivot point.
Lux Algo, it has it at 2502. Yeah, maybe.
Oh, getting bougie. You got an
The
algorithm.
Lux,
25. Whoa.
the big Pippin indicator.
Here comes that pivot point. Well, there's the pivot. There you go, Tim. There's the pivot.
Dang, y'all got a pivot right there. Mine's not for another 30 points.
First target for me was 42.50. 42.50 was my first target for the 15-minute CE.
25,060.
That was for VP. But anyways.
Oh, correct.
VP's trying to help me expand my trading vocabulary.
Yeah, apparently.
Because like mine's hitting the same as Duane, but I've had it where it wasn't the same as Duane, but
Be careful right here. We're real close to this pivot. We're real close to this pivot right now.
you'd like to see a flag.
I would love to see a flag.
Well, can you make it happen?
Well, I'm not a market, like we are market makers, but
Look, we're all here watching you work, so make it happen.
yes, sir, boss.
Listen, we're asking for the unreal, so that way you can make it happen.
All right, fine. Let me call Uncle D. Oh, hold on. Yes, sir.
I'm overhearing the conversation. He said that he's about to rip it to 25.68, and then he's gonna rip it to 25.94.
Yeah, and he said 14 contracts, the whole deal. Yeah, that caught that part.
Damn. No, I can't hear the conversation anymore. But it just hit that 25.68.
Well, it hit my pivot point.
And I'm back. And I'm back. And of course I would miss the freaking move.
Where'd he go?
No, I was overhearing the conversation. Didn't he tell you to get in?
No, he did not.
I heard him say that it was going to go to 25.68.
That was my operations manager's assistant operations.
Oh,
and he was
assistant
calling.
operations.
And whenever they call me, when I'm streaming, it has to be important because they know I stream. But it wasn't important. I'm like, bro, I'll call you when I get off. Like, if no one died, and if it's not about a contract, I'll call you after.
You're like, hello, and they're like, hey man, how are you doing? You're like, yeah. And
No, his first question was, you busy? I'm like, bro, you know I'm streaming right now. Just call me after. I'm like, is it something important? He's like, no, I just want to update you, let you know I got the full team, a solid team on one of the sites now. I'm like, bro, I'll call you when I get off. All right. Well, I missed the play right here where my yellow line was because I wanted that play. But the cool thing is, right, the flags always repeat themselves.
Dude, I think my
So-
trading view glitched out.
Oh, my trading view's chilling.
I was up like 180 and I was trailing my stop loss behind it, and somehow it said I made like $30.
Dude, I don't know. Yeah, sometimes weird things happen like that. Like,
What's up,
earlier,
life?
Whenever I was up, it dropped real quick. Split second. Said I was only up $30, and then I went back up to 100. I was like, what? And the candlestick never even updated.
That's kind of like gay, if you ask me.
Gay.
It says I'm up 170 on the day, but I'm kind of lost. Like, how? I was only at $7.50 prior to that.
well, it's just your, they're just throwing you a little extra, like a tip.
Alright, they can do that any day of the week, including on the weekends. So add a couple of zeros, you know?
Second target I got is 114.25. 114.25.
Alright.
Let's see if we break through my yellow line with some momentum and follow through. I'm jumping in.
Honestly, I measured out where the S&P like move could possibly go to, and this could be based off of too short of a time frame, but it like my max target was at 25.94. So I'm just kind of interested to see what happens.
You and me both, BP.
Your
You
max
and me
target was
both,
what?
fam.
25.094.
And then what,
25,000.
reverse or something?
I don't know. That's just kind of like where I was marked out the manipulation to go.
Right.
Where's my Uno reverse card? I need to give it to the market. I want it going up right now. Don't come down. Pump
hey,
up.
We are pretty close to 2 days ago's PM session high, sitting at 25,099, 25,100. I'm saying we'll go that high, but if we do, we're not that far.
NQ's like leading the market today. We are about to take that previous day high.
Let's go. Take me higher.
Monday's high.
Higher.
ES is lagging behind, and then the Dow
Damn.
hasn't been able to work it there yet. This is the target right here.
220 on that. I'm just getting 220s on all these trades after my first trade today. 220 right there on that account as well.
Big push up.
Let's see here.
Damn, the
So
worst
we're
part
green
is,
across all 5 accounts. Base hitting. So now I'm debating. I'll throw that on the screen real quick. If y'all can see that. The vertical people may not be able to see it, but on the horizontal you can see that. That's for today.
man.
Let me now. No, I'm done trading my Tradify accounts, but I'm gonna have to figure out. I was trying to connect my Tradevate for Apex to my Ninja Trade. It was not working for me earlier today.
Oh, that 15-minute Bullis SMT was a good call out though.
BP, you always have the good call outs.
I
Yeah,
appreciate
bro.
it.
So where to now? Oh, great one.
Oh well, like I said, my last.
Hold up,
Oh,
BP. He was talking to me. He wasn't talking to you.
Oh, my bad.
Dang.
Let me let you know, BP. Like, not today.
No, you're right. I didn't
114.50. 114.50 was the second target from the 15-minute CE. BP. I'm just messing. We're all having fun today. We're all having fun. We're all printing money, having fun. That's what this is about. And this thing is still pumping.
Oh, man, it's ripping.
You know what traders always say? Man, I wish I just held that first trade I had.
Yeah, that's actually what I was thinking right now.
Yeah, bro, we just climbed like a mountain. Legit. All the way
Now that I'm
from
looking,
891.
this is also like a 6-tab model. I'm actually kind of mad at myself for not seeing it. Just like,
Yeah, what the heck? We're just playing.
had our high right here at 1001, and then we put in the low at 904 for the range. And we left the range, and then we tapped back in at 1011. Then we left the range again, and then we swept liquidity of the range at 1014. And then that's whenever we basically did the mitigation before continuation. And I did not see it. But I'm happy with my scalp I took, I guess.
Mitigation for continuation. Now let's roll.
We're going up, we're going down. Go deep, go down.
BP, sneeze once if we're bullish. Sneeze twice if we're bearish.
Well, right now, I think we're actually going to build a flag right above our second target that we just crossed through. So I'm going to move this candle up. Well, my line up. Because my next target would be up there at 186.75. But let me see. How can I show you guys? No, that's not clean enough. Pushing through my yellow line. Let's see if we get some more follow through. Let me close that right there. We'll take that. We'll gladly take that.
Same.
Actually, that's what I need to focus on. Let me see how I could get my
278.
Apex put on this screen so we could trade that. Connections. Configure. Let me get that password. The screen is black, folks. I'm trying to change one of the connections. I'm not trying to change my connection with y'all though, so that part's always solid.
It's all good. Don't worry about it. All right, let me do some math right quick because my brain is not computing.
Apex.
We're gonna have a flag, yes.
Apply. Oh, it worked. Ah, finally. Oh, do I have to? No, there it goes, right there. Can't tell me nothing. My bad, folks. My bad.
I'm so confused right now.
I'd be confused too. Not gonna lie.
Yeah, I mean, it's like an acid trip if you think about it. Now,
Not an acid trip. That's crazy. All right. Well, my Apex accounts are now on my Ninja Trader, so I can now actively trade these.
My math must have been off earlier.
Wait, did you say that you were going to
full court.
copy trade?
Yeah, you mentioned that one time.
Thank you for that. Thank you for that. Let me go back to my control center, and now I'll actually tell you what I actually have for my copy trader, because I have not used him forever.
I'm gonna go get him up. I'll be back.
All right.
So I have Replicanto for my copy trader on Ninja Trader, and let me do this. We'll do the leader account for 157, and we will copy trade on this one. ATM copy. That one's on. I used to use Replicanto a lot. Well, not a lot. I tried it out. I wasn't really feeling it when I was using it previously. But now we will see how I like it now. So this will be copy trading on 2 accounts. Make sure that's good. All right, so we're dialed. I take a trade on this account, copy trade on 2 accounts. Oh, no pressure, no pressure. Brett, don't laugh at Brett. Why you laugh? Brett's like, he comes in like randomly just laughing now. He used to be like, hey, bro, you're doing such a good job. Now he's just laughing at me. I'm a laughing stock. I'm just playing, Brett. I love you. I love you. I love you like the Canadian brother I always wish I could have.
Brad, hop on the call, bro. I'm not spoken to you in a minute.
So let me move this line up. And we get up there. I'm taking it along. Let's see. No, that was not it. Oops, let me put that back.
Yo, Duane, did I say that I needed 690 when I first hopped on here? Or what did I say, like 390 or something?
Honestly,
You said 390 because it was like the Ford motor that was in some pickup trucks. What? Back in the day,
350. You mean?
Oh, I was not
390.
saying anything, sir. I was not saying anything.
Okay, 'cause
350 Smart Block Chevy, baby. I got that.
I just did the math here, and it says I need 352, but I was like, hold up, wasn't I needing 390? I'm confused.
Well, you said 390 earlier because that's what I was thinking of as the Ford motor.
I don't know why TradingView isn't making that correct, but I guess they're making me make more money. I guess they're making
Well,
me
they
work
want
for
you
this.
to be rich.
They want you to be rich.
Keep making money.
I'm still an eval. I'm just trying to pass it.
So we're below our second target here.
Are we gonna sell? Drop
I don't
it,
think so.
take it down.
I don't think so. I could be wrong.
Massive retracement.
We have not had a retracement yet.
I could pass this eval on one swing. That'd be nice.
Don't base hits, Mitch.
Yeah. Don't
Base
sit there.
freaking hits, bro. Hey, good job, Tom.
Great for me,
Congrats,
guys.
bro, on passing another account, bro.
Do my best.
So for me, by Friday, I should have 5 fully funded accounts with Tradeify, and those will be all select accounts. I'm no longer trading growth accounts. So actually, I need to turn off that subscription with the growth accounts I already passed.
Yeah, that's a good safety tip.
Yeah, I'll let them
Be
keep taking your
like,
money.
I guess I got some more accounts.
Well, they're already passed. So what I normally do, I still pass evals and I have them on the back burner for whenever I have an oops day and I blow in an account. But I told myself, like in January, I only want to do select accounts. But I had growth accounts already passed, so that's why I've still been trading growth accounts. Where
you just trade them into oblivion. You got the cash, milk them, and then party on.
yeah, but I don't like that you have to get the $3,000 buffer. We're on the select accounts.
So
You trade for the 5 days and you can request a payout.
So you're just walking away from like tangible accounts, but that's because the other ones served you better. Is that right?
Yes, sir.
Damn, you're a baller.
No, not a baller. Not a baller.
Using $100 bill to light a cigar.
No, I don't do that anymore. Good morning, Delroy.
His napkins are $100 bills. Come on,
Mr.
man.
Snell. Good morning, sir. Good morning, y'all. What websites are y'all using to see if there's news each day? Tim, so I would normally use the Tradeify's dashboard, but right now they don't have. They've been updating the dashboard.
Correct.
So I've been using, like, you could use, what's the one that a lot of trades use, boys?
Tradeivate?
You can see the news on Tradeivate. I totally forgot about that.
Top Stuff TV.
Definitely not using Top Step TV. Don't do that. But you could use Tradeivate. You can also use TradingView to see the news as well.
Or just go to Forex whatever website.
Forex Factory.
Yeah, that.
You can use Forex Factory to see the red folder news. That's the news that we pay attention to. Everything else we really don't care about, to be honest.
You don't care what your downstairs neighbor is doing in the office complex. Just
No. One of my neighbors across the way behind my house getting some roof work done, and hearing this gun is just dee, dee, and I just hear I'm like, man.
They were doing a roof down the street, and it sounded like a shooting range. They had a couple of them up there.
I hear
Like,
shots.
tap.
All right, so we lost that second target. Here. We had a small little bear flag print right there, and we officially dropped below my bottom yellow line here on the 5 minute. So that would invalidate a bull flag. So I'm no longer looking for a bull play. I will now start looking for a bear play, since we just invalidated the bull flag.
I was also going to say that looking at the 4-hour/1 hour chart, the NQ swept out Monday's high, and then ES and the Dow both haven't. So if they don't catch up, then that's a form of bearish S&P. We probably are going to start coming out again.
Well, Mr. Snell, Congrats, bro. That's awesome. He's up 380 for the day. He's a new trader. He's a straight baller offline. And he's like, you know what? I want to learn a new skill because he's already won in life in every area. He's like, let me just add something new. And there you go. 380 for the day. We'll take that. That's a solid base hit right there. Come on, Betsy. So 3 accounts total. Brett, for what? 3 accounts? No, right now, if I'm copy trading on Apex now, this is 2 accounts at a time. 2 accounts.
Oh.
Want to see us get a potential little bear flag, to be honest with you, so I could take a nice little short. But this thing's just coming on down here without giving me the structure.
Let's leave those lines.
Tim, just so you know as well, for the community side, bro, you could jump on the Zoom so it could be live if you got questions, everything like that, bro.
Yeah,
as
don't
well.
show up dead. You know, that's the only rule.
No pressure, no pressure. But if you ever got questions, bro, jump on the stream and ask them live. I want to see us get a nice little slight bull push to take us lower here, but are we going to get it? I want a bear flag, but I need the bulls to push I need this candle green. Or else I may just take it short to this 21 EMA based off the momentum here. Yeah, as soon as I say that, then the bulls step in. Gotta love it. Gotta freaking love it. Give me the flaggy flag. Let's see, are we going to be able to get some structure right here? I wouldn't mind some structure. $37 what? I don't even know what I was getting ready to say. 37 seconds for this candle to finish. Less than 30 now, but
it took you about 15 seconds to say that part.
I know. My bad, folks. My bad. I wanted that candle to close green. We did not.
Probably a little too choppy for me. I was like, let me get out of this real quick and some green. Thankfully, it did not stop me out. It was like 3 points away at one point.
Okay, I did not get filled. That was weird. I got filled way later than I wanted to. Not like that little dance right there on those wrinkles either. We're consolidating right now.
4 seconds.
All right, just closed 260 right there. So I would have been 260 across 2 accounts. Let me go double check because make sure the replicanto is working. Okay, that's I don't know how I like that. On my leader account, I got 340. On my other account, I got 260.
That's a bit of a
That's-
gap.
That's a lot of slippage right there.
What
That's
happens
a
if
lot
you
of
use your ATM?
slippage.
If you use your ATM to do it, does it still fine?
I don't. Let me go check the. I may have to do the copy trading on Tradeovate because that slippage is kind of crazy.
Yeah.
And that's weird, right? So my leader account, I did the 260 in. The copy traded account got 340 in it.
Wait, the copy traded account?
Yeah.
What? Actually, you know what? That's kind of better though. Now. How did your other one manage to get 5 more points than the leader account? That's what I'm wondering.
It froze. It froze when I entered in. Like it lagged on my entry.
Oh, so it put your copy trade account in first and lagged on your second one or your first one.
I don't know how I feel about that, boys. I honestly, just looking at this, I don't know how I feel about that. I'm gonna switch over to a different account now.
Yeah, keep switching.
Yeah. Unless I did something wrong, I'm not sure. All right, rotate to another one. Wait, how did I already put money in this account? Oh God. So I accidentally copy trade 3 accounts right there.
Dang.
Whoa.
That's a scary type of morning right there.
Hey, I'm not complaining. But let me, okay, since that's already done, let me come down to this account because I know I did not copy trade this one. Alrighty, well. I kind of like copy trading if it works. So far. Only when it works.
Yeah, you mean like $700 across 3 accounts?
It's more than that because 2 of the accounts were over $340.
Oh, damn.
And then the leader account only got 260.
900.
Make it make
900.
sense.
That was like 900. Pretty good.
Well, I'll probably tomorrow I'll have everything set up where I'll copy trade on Tradeovate just so that way it's a little bit cleaner with the slippage. Or make it less slippage, to be real. Since they're just built in. Like I'm using a third party copy trader.
It's pretty easy on Tradeovate.
No, it's super easy on Tradeovate, but I don't have the screen set up to be able to do it
Right.
on stream with you guys right now. So that's why I'm just doing it on Apex right now. And the reason why I do like Ninja Trader is right now I have Tradeify, Lucid, and Apex accounts all pulled up. Where if you're doing on Tradeovate, you have to have like multiple tabs open to click each tab to get to it.
Yeah, you're right. You got it down. Don't mind me.
So we came down, we touched this our first target from the 15-minute CE. 42.25. We came down, touched that.
I had a sell order waiting right there at that pivot zone at the 062 area. I'm glad I took it off. That thing is doing a little too much right now.
Why don't you just sweep out this area then make it slow?
Yeah, I feel like we'll go down to that pivot at least. If we get through this 21 EMA with some momentum.
It was when they were having code enforcement stop by on a daily basis and all that. Sure, she went off on me. LOL.
Let me mute Jimmy T because we don't need to know about his code enforcement stuff happening.
No, it was a rental house of mine. I'm sorry, somebody was asking about it.
Oh no, I just didn't want your personal information going out there, so I went to mute you.
This is ancient history. It's just like I was just going through and I found some old communications. People like talking tough on text. You know what I mean? When they're
those are the best. The keyboard warriors.
Oh, it was like
Pull up in person. Let me see something.
So I ended up selling the house to an investor group, and they were like yelling at me, and it was just funny, the whole scenario. But Jimmy T in the house.
Invite him to a boxing match.
Invite him to a boxing match.
When I used to box, one day I know there was this kid I wanted to beat up. He was a punk. He was always running his mouth. So I told him to come to the gym where I used to box, and I told him to put on gloves, like, talking trash. I wailed on him. Never again.
Let's go, Moose. Let's go.
Moose about that life.
Yeah. I'm calm, but I like to get it in if I need to.
I'm calm, but I like to get it in. I don't know if those go together, but okay.
You don't waste no time.
TMI, I've been into trouble since I was a kid. Like fighting, always fighting.
You're still in the trouble, you jive turkey.
All right, let's see if we get a flag. I'm looking at it to see if we get this bear flag right here.
Damn. I hopped out on that.
Because once we get through that 21 EMA,
straight back down. Damn.
Oh yeah, just
bro, get those BS. I have no clue what you're talking about, Drew, but have a good day, sir. That's your only warning for the day.
Ooh.
VIP room comes next. And if you want the VIP room, let me know. It's a special place.
Bro, somebody being mean to you.
Someone says
no, not being mean. Just came in saying get those BS Aichi Moku off your screen for real. Player don't know how to trade, that's all.
Well, the fighting works.
All right, we're coming down to my yellow line.
Just as we got done boxing. Hey, send Moose in.
For real, right? As soon as Moose talk about he about that light, someone come in the chat. You know what I'm saying? That's crazy.
His sister's a man.
Oh man. Like those old roast comp battles that people used to do on YouTube.
Oh, those used to be hilarious.
That one guy with the glasses, I forgot his name. He's like boom bop bada bing bop, and then he says someone else and everyone's like, oh.
Oh yeah.
Oh man.
We have not gotten the follow through yet. It looks like it wants to be a bear flag, but we need to. I'm waiting for that follow through on the momentum.
Yeah, that was a clean sweep right back down.
We got some buying pressure down there, so that's my only hesitancy.
BP, what'd you say?
Oh, I was thinking about shorting whenever we took out those intermediate highs, but I didn't get my fill because I was going over.
So your boy got out at the top of that. I was following it up.
Oh really? You were trading the pullback?
I was trading that back up there. I was like, let me get a little something here. Quick $70.
I'm gonna need to add up how much money we made today since we accidentally copy trade 3 accounts. Note to self: make sure you copy trade the right accounts.
Hey, Duane.
Yes, sir.
Just a question.
Just an answer.
I also have my day off, most of my day off today. Do you want me to do today also? I could go today too?
I would prefer if we could do it tomorrow, only because my hair, the way it grows back so quick, I'm trying to keep it as fresh as possible for BP. You know what I'm saying?
No, I just wanted to see. Just wanted to throw out some options.
Bro, you're making me think I should get a haircut. My freaking hair looks raggedy as fuck.
You have a raggedy fucking hand, motherfucker.
Okay, 250 on that trade. Let's see how much we got across the 2 accounts right there. Ooh, that's a whole lot of green. Ooh, I like this. I like this.
We just woke up a monster, guys.
Look, ooh, and that one was actually oh, that's not the same accounts. Hold on. Okay, so that one was much better on the fill and close. 260 on the main, and then the copy trade got 250. So that's closer.
Be good.
$10 difference. I could deal with a $10 difference. We may have awakened the monster. We woke up the sleeping giant. You know what I'm saying?
We're going back up now.
We had a bull flag. That's why I took the long, believe it or not. So we had this little flag right here. I didn't call it out only because I wasn't sure if it was going to be extremely safe because it was kind of slow. But I still took it. And hey, we'll take it. Green on 10 accounts a day.
Dang.
We'll take
Big
it.
round of applause. Well done. Well done.
I haven't added up yet. I should probably add it up.
That'd be a good idea.
So I'll put that on the screen so y'all can see it too. So I could add this up here. 708.
How did you bring that up? Oh, that's on the
That's Ninja Trader.
Okay.
Because right now, since it's multiple 2 prop firms, this is just easier. See, this is where it gets scary, right? Because today was a completely green day, right? But say that it was a red day. This would be 10 accounts red. That'd be kind of hard to swallow. Not gonna lie.
Scary.
Yeah, but imagine you had all 10 and you just hit one killer freaking trade and you had like 10K from one.
Ah! Your boy may be concentrated moving forward. $3,200. Copy train base hits. It's not like we were going crazy with the numbers or anything like that. But $3,200.
He's in the game now, boys. He's in the game. Look at him dancing. Hey.
No, like, I like that. I'm officially done trading. I'm not.
Oh, come on, Big Daddy Bucks. Let it all hang out.
No, I'm done. Listen, base hit and walk away. And that's what I'm doing. I'm done trading for
I
today.
thought you said it was Grand Slam and then do it again.
I never said Grand Slam nothing, so don't even start with me, Mr. Jimmy T. Steve. Please.
I'm going to call code enforcement on your ass.
Brett, you right, bro. Apex 20 accounts, TPT. I don't like trading with TPT. They take too much percentage. But 5 accounts, yes, you could do it with them. Lucid 5 as well. Trade 5. That is 35 funded accounts. Ooh, that sounds dirty. I ain't gonna lie. It sounds good.
God.
But I would copy trade literally by firm.
That boy good.
So what I'm gonna be doing, I'm gonna do pretty much the same thing I just did today. Base hitting these Apex accounts, even though I could like push them a little bit harder to get them past. But I'm just going to base hit them copy trading. I'm going to base hit copy trading with them just so I can get the feel of it, see how I like it, how I don't like it, everything like that. I will not copy trade my Tradeify accounts. I will keep those out, just rotating. And eventually, hopefully I can get to a point where I categorize them by each prop firm and copy trade each firm. So that would literally only be 5 trades a day across all the firms. 1 trade per firm each day, technically. Man, if I would have just held that long I was in, it'd have been sitting real crazy right now. But Duane, you're green for the day. Just don't even look. Close your eyes.
Nice, I gotta get out of here.
Have a good one, Moose.
5-minute bull flag, huh?
See you, Moose.
See you later.
Take care.
Ooh, Nellies. Ooh, Nellies.
Hey boys, you want to check it? 177.5 left for today. A quick two on that last push up there.
Nice. No, today was definitely a solid day in the markets. Like I said, like I got my mojo back because into February I felt like I was starting to like slip up on like some of my disciplines
I
and
think I
rules.
got mine back too, because so far all I've had is winning trades all morning
Rob, have a good one, bro.
and the last couple.
See you guys tonight. See you tonight, bro. Enjoy your workout. What's even crazier, right? My first trade today was 720. My first trade today was like 720. Let me not do this, but I'm gonna do it anyways. If I did the copy trade all 10 accounts on today's first trade, that would have been a lot of money.
Yes, sir.
That'd been $7,200.
That would be called Big Daddy Bucks.
That would be called the traders hang out, we buying a boat.
Ooh. Yo, let's get a Mastercraft X-Star. So we can all go surfing and wakeboarding and tubing.
I can do tubing.
Oh, yo, you know what? I want to see who can last the longest tubing.
I don't want you driving me, Mitch, being real with
I
you.
ain't driving.
I know how you drive your car. I definitely don't want you driving a boat. No, thank you.
I'll be out there competing with y'all, man, because I'll be jumping the tube over the top of y'all from weight to weight, doing barrel rolls,
see,
all that.
That's too much for me. I'm just trying to hold on for dear life. You're doing tricks. You know what I'm saying? Like,
man, I see that big 3-foot wave coming at me. Shoo. We flying.
because it's different, Mitch. We have 2 different body styles, right?
Yeah.
Like, I'm a wrecking ball, okay? So when I let go of that tube, best believe it's gonna hurt.
Yeah, you're right. It looks like when they set those underwater mines, you know, the water just come boom, come flying out.
Yeah,
That 5-minute bull flag's definitely paying.
Yeah.
Let's see if it gets more. I'm not touching it whatsoever.
How's everybody else doing so far this morning?
Okay, good.
Good as in we winning, good as in we still green.
We winning. We winning. I'm just working on an ATM strategy right now, trying to figure out. So I'm not really actively trading an account, but the ones I trade are all good.
Heck yeah.
We'll take
G.
that.
How's G doing?
He ain't talking.
Is G in the room with us?
Yeah, he in here. He's muted.
He's in here. That means he's not talking. That means he's raking in money.
Yeah, he's dialed in right now. He's dialed
BP,
in.
where you at? How you doing with ours?
I'm doing all right. I was only trading like 1 or 2 micros today, so not too
Always.
bad.
I feel that. I was trading about 7 micros, 5 to 7 micros today.
A little more risk. Honestly, I've just been wanting to just build up and just gain all my confidence back.
Okay, let me
That's
ask
what
you
I've been
this.
doing. That's what I've been doing.
Yeah, well, when you trade like 7 micros, it seems like you give, or like you above 5, it seems like you're giving most of it back in fees. Am I say when I've done it, it seems like it's like crazy at that point.
Yeah, you know, that's probably why my first trade over there was glitching. Because them damn fees were
It's like,
taxing.
you clear, like, you know, if you have like the 5 micros, you have a $200 trade, and it's like $80 goes in your account or something. It's like, what?
Yeah, they greedy.
Yeah, I've
Well,
never.
on micros, they don't fuck around, but it's like it just seems like after you up to 2 or 3, it's just the.
Good job, Tim. Put it in the discussion, bro. Put it in the community discussion. Congrats on the 500 for today. Proud of you, bro.
Yeah, BP, I've been getting my confidence and everything, my discipline, all that back on the micros, because honestly, God, doing minis, I was acting a fool.
Yeah, I understand that. I've just been, I feel like I've been having poor risk management lately, so I've just been trying to like work on that.
Yeah, when a friend of mine first told me that I should drop down the micros, it kind of hurt me a little bit, because I was like, man, I don't want to do that, you know? But I had to check myself. I'm like, you know, if you don't do that, you ain't gonna be doing nothing.
Yeah, because I mean, micro will help you survive through your mistakes.
Exactly. And that's your boy was making them for the past month and a half, as I talked to Duane about when he had lunch.
Yep. For me, right, you gotta see what works for you. Like for me, like when I was trading micros, it did not get me excited to trade.
I think that's helping me too.
For me, you know what I'm saying? It did not get me excited to trade where I had to trade the minis. Because my mind can't process like $1, $2. My mind processes $50, $100, $200. But to take one micro, what is that? Like 10 cents? Yeah. Like it would just have me where I'm literally 10 cents. Like, this is crazy. So that's why I just suck to minis, because it's all, like I said, this is a mental game. You gotta see what works better for your mental, and you do that. So if micros work for you, trade micros. If trading one mini works, trade one mini. But do what works best for you.
So if I do 40 micros, that's like doing like 1 or 2 minis.
Oh, 40 micros is 4 minis.
4 minis?
Yep.
Yeah, at that point, you might as well trade in minis.
Shit.
But you can scale in and scale out with the 40 if you're trading micros.
Right.
But you are paying all those extra fees.
True. Thank you.
Okay, Chapo, you trade 5 micros. Hey, whatever works, bro. Whatever works.
Oh, I'm up $452.50 on the day, so.
Hey, we'll take that. Good job, Mitch.
I got one.
Good job, bro.
Well, thank you.
We're getting a bear flag here on the 2-minute. Your boy's slightly tempted to take another trade.
Hey.
But I'm going to end the day completely green on 10 accounts. That's nice to say. Green on 10 freaking accounts.
Imagine taking a payout on those 10 accounts, boy.
Hey, listen, I'm literally, this week, I'm using it just to get fully funded with Tradeify. Then I'll use like the rest of next week to get funded with Apex, fully funded, just base hitting it. So that would give me 3 weeks for base hits for Tradeify to take a 15K payout. And then that would give me 2 weeks to base hit with Apex to take 1 payout per account on that. And that would give me the over 20 grand for the month. Listen, I'm dialed in. I got my strategy set. How I'm gonna break down this 20 grand for the month. Timothy, this is the best day you've seen so far, bro. Listen, you haven't been here on some of the days when we were printing. You know what I'm saying? Like
that one Friday, man, that's monumental.
Yeah, on one Friday alone, I did like 8 grand.
That was a monumental day.
And I think that day made BP a believer in me. You know what I'm saying?
No, I believed in you way before that.
No, I know that. But at that point, because you guys had only seen, because the streams only started taking off like mid-November through December, right?
Yeah, that's
so
what I found you.
That's when the market was slowing down for the end of the year. So it's just chopping, bad action, not good movement. But once we started getting good movement early January, first day of January, I printed 8 grand and everyone's like, man, this is crazy. Like, I've never seen you do this. I'm like, this is what I was talking about. When the markets move the way I like them to move, we print money. When it's slow, steady, everything like that, like I'll do base hits and hope to get like $200. Amid, what's up? I'm pulling you in. Listen, come to the green side. I was getting ready to say the dark side, but it ain't dark over here, fam. Come to the green side. You can still do that even with the flags, but you use the flags as your main point that you're looking for. And then you can add the reversals, everything like that in there as well as a secondary play. Because the flags, they always repeat themselves and they always print. So on today, just on the 5-minute chart, right? Let me come back over here. On the 5-minute chart, we had one flag. There's 1, 2, 3 flags print. Just that's on the 5-minute. You drop down to the 2-minute, there would have been more flags. But you wait for the flags, wait for the momentum, and you execute. And that's it. Like we just had on the 2-minute, a small little bear flag print. And I was talking about, man, I kind of want to take it. I didn't take it because I want to make sure I end up green for the day. Across 10 accounts. I'm sorry, I'm going to keep saying it. First time green on 10 accounts total. But the 2-minute flag's paying right now. You know what I'm saying? We came right down to that 21 EMA. I would expect us to bounce up a little bit off that 21 and maybe continue. There's a continuation through the 21 EMA right there. But I would not be trying to go short yet. We gotta see how this 21 affects us right now. And this thing just waterfalling. We lost that 21 EMA. Like, no, I was so ready to click the button right there. Let me not. Oh, no, let me stop. No. Oh, I was so close. Let me not.
What I miss?
No, your boy is like over here just like ready to just go back into the market to add on this drop here, but I'm not going to. Because I was looking at doing it. We were like up here. Like right in here. Like I was getting ready to jump in right here to take it down because this momentum's trending in the same direction. But no, because I saw that bear flag, but I said I was done trading. So it's okay, Duane. It's okay. You're green in 10 accounts. Like, it's okay. Oh, it's still going too. Let me just piss myself off real quick and see how much that would have been for me. So I would have been in right there, give or take. Or, yeah. Let me do the ruler on this one to see if I would have jumped in when I saw the bear flag. How much would that have been? $1,000. God diggly dog.
No.
It is what it is.
I would have jumped on the pass. I was chilling on my phone. Take a break.
Yeah, I'll be getting off at 11:20. 11:20, I'll be jumping off here, fellas. Because right now, your boy wants to trade some more, but he ain't going to. But I do see why people like copy trading. I do see that. Less trades,
Yeah, the
same
scans now.
good results. And honestly, I kind of like copy trading so far on Ninja Trader only because I can't see the balance with all the accounts at once. Because on Tradeovate, when you're copy trading, you're seeing the full balance, and then it in the parentheses it shows you for each account. So I like only seeing the one account, so I'm not even thinking about the other ones, if that makes sense. Because if I saw $10,000, oh, look at this, or minus 1,000, yeah. If I'm copy trading, I'm definitely dropping my risk level on how much I'm willing to lose on a trade. I probably keep it like $300. Keep it real tight. And right here, I expect us to build another bear flag. Just so y'all know. Make sure you're putting your wins in the community discussion for all the legacy members in the chat and all the market makers. Make sure you put your wins or losses in the community discussion. I've honestly just been waiting for Tradeify to update their system so I can start posting my journals again. But I'll post today's for sure since it's a extremely green day. We're below that 21 EMA as well right now. Ooh, Nellies. Ooh, freaking Nellies. Oh, my kids get out of school early today. Thank God I just remember it's Wednesday. They would have been sitting there late. Dad, where are you?
I don't have no kids.
He wants to go get milk.
Dang. I be messing with Brenda sometimes. Like, you know what? I think I need to go get some milk.
Dang. How'd she react?
Oh, she be laughing. She's like, make sure you get 2 gallons.
Yeah, my dad gave me up for adoption. I've never seen him again.
Well, that's not cool. Wow. There, we got that bear flag right there on the 2-minute. Man, oh man. Ooh. Don't look. You got 2 minutes left, Duane. You can not trade for 2 more minutes. You got this. Yeah, I'm not trading after I get off either. Because I have done that previously. I'm not doing that today.
Will you put your mouse in a box and drop it off at the Amazon dropout point?
I'll do one better.
On the stream?
I just turned the mouse off. Not sure if that's focused. It's red, so that means it's off.
Yo, quick question. Non-trading related. If a parent puts their child up for adoption and somebody comes and essentially buys the child, does the parent make money off of that?
No,
Well, first off, you can't buy a child.
Yeah, I mean, what is this? Like, are you talking about like human trafficking? Because that's not our thing, baby.
No, I'm talking about when my parents gave me up for adoption. All they gave up their youngest 4 of the 8. And my mom came, and I know how expensive it was, to go through the whole adoption process. So I'm trying to figure out who made the money.
No one makes money on it. If anyone makes money, it's the state.
Oh, they're human trafficking.
Pretty much. That's like when people have to pay child support, right?
Mm-hmm.
The state wants people paying child support because they're getting a cut of it. The full amount does not go to the parent.
Right.
The state takes a portion.
This is the thing. Period.
Gotcha.
Have to deal with that.
The state pays foster parents. That's it. So if you're a foster parent, then you get paid by the state.
Mm-hmm.
Thank you, Time. Well, tonight, 9:30 p.m., we're going live. We got 2 more nights for the Trader Hangouts being here at my house. And then Friday night and Saturday night, we're going to be streaming from San Antonio. Straight going to be vibing with y'all. I got a room with a balcony overlooking the Riverwalk that we'll be streaming from. The things I do for y'all. The things I do for y'all.
Well,
But with
that reminds me of I'm buying this toy for us. You know, for us.
What?
You never heard about that? Like when a parent would buy like their child like a toy, but they secretly wanted to like experience it for themselves.
Oh, I do that all the time.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's what it was reminding me of. He was like, the things I do for y'all, I got this really nice view for y'all.
Well, BP, I am a parent first off. And on top of that, all my kids, all my son's Nerf guns, I bought because I wanted them.
Hey man, I've been there. I've done that.
He goes to school flexing all his Nerf collection, and really is just ads.
Like, he got a crazy Nerf
You
arsenal.
gotta show us on camera sometime your collection. Bring it up to the office.
Listen, maybe I'll do that. I'll line them all up.
Yeah.
I don't even think we have enough space up here.
Well, just show us your top level, like 5 or 10, whatever, or 30.
We could do that.
I'll do that. There's one time my son was like still pretty young, and I bought him a Nerf gun that was basically bigger than him because I wanted to have it.
Here you go, but I know you can't hold it, but it's yours. And then Steve's just running around the house shooting people. That's awesome.
Oh yeah, I mean it's just a sick thing. It's like yes.
That's awesome. Stream from the riverboat. We'll see. I kind of like having control over the Trader Hangout environment. But I did buy some more mics, so me and BP both will be mic'd up. And technically, I could plug it into my phone, the mics. But we'll see. We'll see. But I'm going to be jumping off here at this point, fellas. Great trading session with y'all. Good job, everyone that made money. If you didn't make money today, tomorrow's a new day, clean slate. Come back, redialed, ready to execute. If you're still trading, stay safe in the markets. And I will see you guys tonight on the Traders Hangout. Be blessed, everyone. Legacy. Love y'all. I'll talk to you guys later.
Love you too, big bro. Have a good one, guys.
See you later.
Yeah.
Catch y'all later.
Yeah. Later on, everybody.
Go touch some grass.
All right, guys.
All right.
Brett, I'm not forgetting about you either, brother. Love you too. Love you as a brother from another mother. That's Canadian. Have a good one, bro. Enjoy the rest of your day.